Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the photo styler feature in CapCut. If you want to transform your ordinary photos into, let's say, a stunning pieces of art inspired by paintings, sketches, or unique digital styles, so CapCut has a photo styler features, and here I'm going to show you how you can find and use the feature. So first, the photo styler is located under the photo tools features in here on the CapCut homepage on mobile. And here, if you click on the photo tools, you'll see photo styler. So it will make your photo stand out in one tab. You can just click on that and choose the photo that you want to edit. So let's say in here I'm going to delete this photos, edit these photos right here. You can click on next. So here is the photo styler. So the current or the new photo styler is the Christmas photo stylers. There is Christmas card, Polaroid, birthday card, or Christmas postcard, or cutout. So you can just choose which one. So for example, I'm going to use the Christmas doodles. Click on the style that you want. So CapCut will first analyzing your photo before applying the styler. You can also click on minimize to hide the process. So it will be done within seconds or minutes. You can just wait. And in here, I think CapCut will show you some options. You can just select the result that you like from this list. Okay, so here are the result of the Christmas doodle photo styler. You can just choose the one that you like the best, or you can also regenerate it again if you don't like any of it, but you can just click on it and click on a check icon if you satisfied with the result. And here you can just click on a save button at the top to save the photo to your gallery. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.